All right, so we're gonna start meal one in bin two. That's our seared pork chops with mac and cheese. So while I'm getting the skillet nice and hot to cook off our pork chops, I've just got the macaroni and cheese just cooking according to the regular box ingredients. I've got our pork chops marinated here. I marinated them in a little turmeric and dill. Turmeric is an actual natural anti-inflammatory. So if you have anyone that suffers from arthritis or anything in your family like that, make sure you load up on the turmeric. It can help them with that. We're going to season them up with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to get them in the pan to sear. That turmeric's going to give them a hint of a yellow color, but like I said, it adds a lot of flavor, and it's a natural anti-inflammatory. So, meanwhile, while my pork chops were searing, I finished off that macaroni and cheese. I'm going to turn these bad boys over, and then I'm just actually going to put them in the oven to finish cooking the rest of the way. So we got our macaroni and cheese here now. We're gonna get our dinner rolls ready and our vegetable. All right, so I got an amazing price on this bag of dinner rolls. It's a jumbo family pack. However, it was such a great price, I couldn't pass it up. You only need 8 for this bin, but all I'm gonna do is just pop these out on the sheet pan. And I got a little bit of softened melted butter here. I'm just gonna brush those on there. You can put Italian seasoning, paprika, grated dried Parmesan, anything else on here that you would like, but I'm going to keep it real simple. I'm going to pop these in, and then I'm going to pull the pork chops out. They ought to be good by now. Oh yeah, those are definitely done. You don't want to overcook them. The longer you cook pork, the more it will dry out. So, you know, medium well is fine. You don't have to cook your pork all the way through anymore. So remember that. You don't want to get them too dry, all right? Okay, so to round out meal one on bin 2, I just did a regular old can of green beans. Regular canned green beans, warmed them up with some butter, salt, and pepper. Got one of our seared pork chops here, and I'm going to grab one of our dinner rolls. There you have meal 1 on bin 2. Seared pork chops, boxed mac and cheese, green beans, and dinner rolls. Nice and easy.